Hello guys, it's me Soraya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos like this. Okay, for today's video, I am super duper excited because we are going to do some unboxing. Look at that, shoe boxes behind me. It's my first ever Luxe shoes, and yes, I did buy two. Are you guys ready? Let's do it.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round.
Just a little background. I know I don't have to explain this, but I want you to have a little peek of my life, my history. Okay, so I'm the eldest among 4 girls, and I have been the breadwinner for a long time. My dad is actually a lawyer in the Philippines. I mean, he's still practicing, but he's doing kind of like pro bono just to, he said, like, you know, keep his mind sharp. But he had stroke, and I think I was already working at that time, and then but all of my younger sisters were still in school. And then my mom also got sick. Okay, she was a teacher and she died 3 years ago. But I have been you know, paying for all the medical bills, supporting my family, sending my sisters to school, and finally they are all professionals. My other sister is in Maryland, and she is working as a kindergarten teacher, right? And so she has been helping me with, you know, our bills and supporting our family in the Philippines. The third sister is a special ed teacher, but she has now her own family. She has 2 children, right? And her husband is actually here in America, in the US, but just recently, like a year or 2 years ago. And then the youngest sister is a nurse, and she has her own YouTube actually, so I'm gonna link it right there so you guys can check her out. And she just recently moved back to the Philippines. She worked for like 2 years, I think, in the UK as a nurse, and then she wants to, well, they want to start their own family with her husband, of course. Okay, so they have been helping me, and now I can finally treat myself, right? It's been years, like years that I have been supporting, and I mean, I'm still supporting my family in the Philippines, like my dad, sending money for bills and for medical stuff, right, for him. But I'm able to set aside a little bit to buy what I want. And I haven't treated myself for a long time, and as you guys know, I was hospitalized, I had surgery, and I was thinking like, oh my gosh, life is really short. You don't know what will happen to you the next day, and you know, stuff like that. So I said, I want to try to buy like luxury items. I wanted a luxury purse, but then I'm not really a purse kind of lady, a purse kind of girl. So I'm more into shoes, and so my first luxury shoes are here. Okay, so now let's open it up. Here it is. That's the box. It's sleek. Okay, so let's look at it closely. Let's start with Laurent. I have been really wanting the shoes. Oh my golly. So there's a dust bag. Oh, it came with two dust bags. There we go. And then here you go. So I got the Saint Laurent logo espadrille. Let's open it up. Ta-da! There you go. So it's actually soft leather. Nice. Okay, and then I think jute, this is jute, right? I don't know. But it's soft leather, and there's the name, Saint Laurent. And ooh, nice soles. That means you won't slip. Cool. And there's the embossed logo. It adds an understated signature element, right? So cool. Nice. I love it. Okay, let me open the other one. So I actually got, what's this? A size 5 on this one, and there's the name Saint Laurent right there. You guys can see that there. And yeah, this came in size 35. There you go. So let's try it out. What? Oh, there's something in here. Let's see what this is. Must be the care instructions card. This certificate of authenticity guarantees your Saint Laurent product against all manufacturing defects. Let's see, let's open it up. All Saint Laurent shoes are made in Italy or Spain, where they benefit from the highest levels of craftsmanship. To preserve the quality and the beauty of your shoes, we recommend that you keep your shoes away from direct sunlight and heat. Avoid rubbing your shoes with rough or abrasive materials. Should the product become marked, consult a cleaning specialist, cobbler, or shoe repairer, or your retailer. Okay, so yes, this is like care instructions right here. Oh, it comes in different languages. You have like Spanish. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Let's try them on. What I have noticed is it doesn't have like an arch support, so it's just flat, and I don't know, yeah, there's no cushion or whatever, so I don't think I can last long on this one if like I'll be walking for hours. Oh, maybe I can put some like those feet cushions or something like that, like gel. But they are so cute. I'm excited and I'm loving, loving, loving the espadrilles. All right, now let's go to Valentino. Okay, so I have been really wanting to get this one. I decided to get the heel sandals. It's the Rockstud, but I'll show you what it is. Okay, let's go to Valentino. Ta-da! Alright, so it comes with one dust bag. There. There you go. So I got the 35.5 because I read in like reviews that this comes in small. So I said, okay, let me just get the half size up. So there's no traction really. I don't know. I might slip on this one, but hopefully not. I love the heels. I love the blocked heels right there. So pretty. Look at that. And this is in powder color. And there's the name, Valentino. Cool, cool, cool. Look at those Rockstuds. So I chose this color because it's pretty neutral, so I can pair it with anything, right? I can pair it with jeans, I can pair it with dresses. Nice. love it. Oh my golly, this is so cute. Let's see if it came with care instructions or something like that. There's nothing. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? Let's see. It says Valentino. Okay, so this is their care instructions right here. This article is made from leather. Any imperfections are characteristic features of the leather and not a flaw. To preserve the quality of this product, we recommend avoiding contact with water, grease, and solvents. Clean with a soft cloth and store in the protective case provided. Okay. Let's see. That's it. Oh, what's this? What is this? Right there. Ooh, there are 2 extra studs. Nice. Awesome. Better keep that. There you go. So let's put that together right there. Okay, now I'm going to try it on. It for my unboxing and initial review for the luxury sandals, Saint Laurent, Espadrilles, and these Rockstud sandals. Oh my golly, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed every bit of it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.